Hey everyone, AJ here again. Just want to make sure this is, yep, it's cool. Yeah, so back with another episode. I lost 3 grand yesterday. I mean, the market was definitely a little reset. I came off a really good week last week, and yeah, this on Monday it started off really bad. So it's okay though. I expect things to fluctuate. First and foremost, you know, Robinhood really screwed me yesterday. Their app broke, and when I was putting in option orders in the beginning of the day, in the beginning of the market, like around 9:35, they weren't going through. And then I tried to cancel them; they weren't canceling them. So what happened was I actually bought 3 contracts for Nvidia, a call for the end of this week. I bought 10 contracts for AMD put for the end of this week. And then, yeah, and then I canceled them because they weren't going through. And I did, like an idiot, I did that 2 more times. So I put in 2 more contracts for AMD. Then I put in 2 more for Nvidia. And about 25 minutes later, every one of those contracts I put in went through. So I only really wanted 3 contracts in Nvidia and like 10 contracts of AMD here. And Nvidia, I told you guys they have a meeting today at 4 p.m. PST time. I have a close. They were running up yesterday. I was actually up like $500 some, but I couldn't sell because Robinhood flagged my account for day trading until I get over 25 grand or by November. So I'm working on doing that. I'm thinking about selling Nvidia probably tomorrow after their conference tonight. So I expect it to run up. They're supposed to announce a groundbreaking product. The reason why I'm probably selling tomorrow is because Intel's dropping their Tiger chip, a new chip, like I said in my last video, and it might affect Nvidia's hype. But AMD, I did take a call out yesterday. I'm going to see if AMD continues to run today before Nvidia's meeting at 4 p.m. Pacific time. Sell their call as soon as I can, as soon as I make some profit, and then sit, because I guarantee you, I mean, I'm guessing AMD is going to get affected by Intel and Nvidia's conference. Tesla, obviously still growing. It was up like to 5 something last night, but after hours seems like people are getting rid of it. But I expect that to continue to grow. I'm gonna hold probably as long as I can on that. Microsoft and Walmart. Walmart just released a software subscription service similar to Amazon. So I'm thinking, this deal with these two, obviously acquiring TikTok, might be happening sooner than later. They say today. They said it's supposed to happen as soon as today. So again, I'm just holding these. I'm honestly thinking about purchasing another Microsoft call for 918 just to play on the safe side in case it doesn't happen this week. With that being said, if I feel like Microsoft jumps and I earn some profit, I will probably sell this call because, again, I don't know when this TikTok deal is happening and my options are ticking each day. Fastly, same thing. Once I get close to probably $100, minus 100, or even close to 0, I will sell. If that TikTok deal does happen, this will definitely be affected. Plug, again, should be getting some bumps this week potentially. They had a little setback last week. Peloton, I was up $500 yesterday. This, I'm waiting until next week. There's going to be hype around this early next week as well because the earnings are on 9/10, I believe, and they're probably going to destroy their earnings because everyone's ordering workout stuff. Obviously bought an Apple call. I mean, I was skeptical. I didn't know what I was going to do, if I was going to purchase Apple or not. That being said, I saw how it was reacting in the market in the beginning. So I'm assuming people are, I'm taking a risk here. People are still going to buy it. I think it gets to 185 by 918. Grow, going to have, these are just some long-term guys that I'm hoping they're just going to bounce back over the next week and a half. Square right now, just to give you guys an insight. So Nvidia first is up $5. So they seem like they're bouncing back, and my option should bounce back today. Microsoft is up $1. So, hopefully we're back to the uptrend with Microsoft. Tesla down $1, unfortunately, but that shouldn't last long. Let's pray. Square is finally doing what I was hoping it would be doing. I read an article that it had a price target of 225, I believe. So I purchased an option for 205 expiring this week, and yesterday went up $3. See $75 return and cut the total return. So with this $5 jump, and I hope it continues to jump, I'm hoping to get a return, and once I do, I'm probably gonna sell right away. So I would probably, I would probably look into, definitely, obviously, me personally, I'd probably buy a Tesla option maybe for 918 or 911, I'm thinking. I personally would also buy 2 options for Microsoft and Walmart expiring 918. I'm probably going to do the same. They are doing a joint venture to acquire TikTok. It is a risk, but something to keep in mind. I would definitely get into Peloton, guys. Sell before the earnings for hype purposes. Let's see how much AMD is up. AMD is up, look, another $1 after hours. So it's looking like AMD is gonna continue to grow as it should. But I guarantee, I'm just throwing this out there. I think it takes a dip, and I could have guessed this completely wrong. You know what I mean? I could be completely wrong here with this put. But if Nvidia drops something that they're talking about, it's supposed to be groundbreaking today, and Intel's dropping a chip that is competing directly with AMD's chip, and it's already proved to be better, then AMD might be, this little momentum they're getting towards $100 might dip again. There's already some skepticism around the company anyway. I don't know why. People don't believe in their leadership. People don't believe that they're really worth that much. People just think they're overhyped. So those are some plays to maybe think about today. But I will get back to you guys tomorrow and let you know how I did. Just some advice. Don't get caught up in all the red. This stuff can fluctuate. My advice is, if you're getting near expiration date like I am, consider selling a couple days before and trying to cut your losses as much as possible if you really don't think you're going to make a positive income, right? If you're not going to break even. But yeah, that's really it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you in the next one.